Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really cute Paw Patrol ticket style invitations. These are so fun. You can hand them out to classmates or family members, and the kids just have so much fun with these. They're just a really neat idea. Um, so let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to want to do is go to the internet, and you're just going to go to picmonkey.com. Picmonkey, if you're not familiar with it, it is just a free editing online software that anybody can use. So you just go to picmonkey.com and then you're going to choose Edit. And from this pop-up menu, you're going to choose Computer because by this time you will have the templates downloaded. So wherever you save the template on your computer, you just find it and pull it up in Picmonkey. And I will leave a link down below to where you can get this exact template that we're using today. So as you can see, you have 4 styles here on one sheet. This sheet size is a regular 8.5 by 11-inch sheet, which makes it really easy for printing because all you have to do is add your event details to these 4 ticket style invitations, and then you just cut them out. So you get 4 to the page. And you can see there's 2 here that are like standard Paw Patrol, maybe if you want to hand out to the boys. And then these are more girlish colors with Sky and Everest. So you get that variety there, which is also really fun. So the first thing you're going to do, which is really easy, is you're going to go over here to the left and you're going to click on the T icon for text. And it's going to bring up all these fonts that you can use within Picmonkey, which is really cool. Or if you have a special font that you want to use that you already have on your own computer, you would click right here on yours. But for today, I'm just going to use the free Picmonkey fonts to show you guys how simple it is. So I'm going to go ahead and use this font Edo, and I'm just going to, it's already highlighted, but you'd click on it and then just click up here on add text, and a text box will pop up right here. So I'm going to drag it down so you can see what I'm typing, and then we'll move it later. So the first thing I'm going to do for these 2 blue ones is I'm going to type at a sentence for the top that's going to say, "You're invited." Now this is a little big, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to size it. By clicking this little button right here, left or right, you can change your font size smaller or larger. So I'm going to drag it down to about there, and I'm going to make it white so it pops out more. I'm going to center it using this middle button right here, and then I'm just going to drag it to the top and see how that looks. Okay, perfect. I think that looks great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and click on duplicate text. And I'm going to drag it down here so I can now enter the event details. I'm going to make his name and age a little bit larger. So first I'm just going to put in the location of the birthday party. So let's just say it's at 458 Oak Road, Dallas, Texas. Read that. Okay. And I'm going to put that around. I'm going to put it about right there. Now I'm going to duplicate, right click and hit duplicate on this text. And I'm going to put this here. It just makes it easy so it's already sized and using the font you want. And I'm going to put it's Jack's 6th birthday. I'm going to highlight this because I want it to just be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to play around with the font size there. I'm going to drag this down to about here and there. Almost done. And now the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to right click again and click duplicate text, is I'm going to double click and I'm just going to type some RSVP phone number information. I'm going to make this text is going to be black because it's going to go, or actually I'm going to make it a blue color to match the invitation. You can use this color wheel over here and you can make anything, any color you want. So I'm going to use blue And I'm going to drag it down here, right underneath the barcode, and it needs to be a little bit smaller. So let's just, like about there. And I'm just going to center it, make sure it looks good, and that's it. So you have one invitation done. How easy was that? And look how cute that is. So now, in order to finish all the rest of them, all you have to do is copy and paste. So right click on the top, duplicate text, drag it over, and you're going to do the same thing for the other two on the end. If you want these to be like, you see how the white doesn't show up as well on the pink invitation? So you could make it like, you come over here and make it like a hot pink color. So, and then I'm going to right click here and I'm going to duplicate the text. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make that one like a purple. Perfect. And then I'm going to do the same thing with these. Duplicate the text. Drag it over here. Do it again. And I'm just going to do this for all of them. RSVP info there. And then I think I'll leave that white. That looks fine like that. But then the RSVP info for the pink invitation, I'm going to want to make that pink also. So I'm going to drag it over here. And then I'm just going to go over here to my color chart. And I'm going to click on like a hot pink color. And we're going to finish up the last one. And this last RSVP for the aqua invite, I'm going to make it purple like the top part of the invitation. I'll make it like yellow, like that. Perfect. And look, you have now, your invitations are done. It took us like just a couple minutes to complete that. And look how cute those are. And you just saved a ton of money on top of it. So now all you have to do is save it to your computer by clicking up here on export. And then you're just going to label the invitation however you want to label it. And then I always leave this information right where it's at. I don't mess with it. And then I just click on export to computer and it'll save to your computer. And then you just print it. And you can print this on white cardstock paper that you can get at any craft store or Walmart. Or you can click it on photo paper. You can print it from home. You can print it from a local copy print center in your town. You can print from Vistaprint or Kinko's, anywhere that prints, you can print these. So once you've printed them out on your paper, you just cut them out. You just cut along these lines and you have 4 really cute ticket style invitations for your kids to hand out or to hand out to their classmates or their family members, however you want to do it. But they're really, really cute and really, really, really fun and really, really, really saves on your birthday budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was, easy enough for you guys, the step-by-step. I hope I didn't miss anything. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment down below or send me an email. I'm also going to leave the link to this exact template down below so you know how to access it, and also to Picmonkey and all of our contact information down below as well. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.